In today's video, I'll be giving you a complete beginner's guide to starting a successful newsletter with Beehiiv. My goal is to teach you everything you need to know so you can go from zero to making $10K in profit per month within about 6 months. This video will cover several key aspects: how to find a profitable, untapped niche, how to write engaging content for your readers, and how to create lead magnets to attract subscribers. As a bonus, at the end, I'll share a monetization framework you can use to generate income from your newsletter. Before we begin, it's important to understand that each subscriber on your newsletter can be worth anywhere from 50 cents to $2 or more per month, depending on your niche. For example, if your niche has low spending potential, such as kids' games, it will likely be on the lower end. However, if your focus is on e-commerce or business-related topics, your earnings per subscriber could be much higher, potentially reaching $10 per subscriber per month. To hit the $10K per month mark, you need anywhere from 5,000 to 20,000 subscribers, depending on your niche. Business-related niches tend to require fewer subscribers, whereas broader topics may need a larger audience. If you haven't signed up for Beehiiv yet, I highly recommend doing so. In my opinion, it's the best platform for starting a newsletter. I've tested multiple platforms, including Substack and others, but Beehiiv stands out as the best. You can find a sign-up link below. The first step in starting your newsletter is niche research, finding the right topic. One of the best tools for this is ChatGPT. If you already have a niche you're passionate about or knowledgeable in, go for it. But if you're unsure or open to exploring ideas, ChatGPT can help. I once heard about someone who built a highly profitable newsletter about TV shows, even though they weren't interested in the topic. Your personal interest isn't a requirement for success. A simple way to generate niche ideas is by asking ChatGPT for a list of 100 profitable newsletter niches. This will provide a wide range of options, from urban gardening to digital nomad lifestyles, classic cars, and more. Reviewing this list can help you identify topics that interest you and have profit potential. Once you have a few niche ideas, the next step is to evaluate their market size. There are several ways to do this, but I prefer using a tool called Keywords Everywhere. This tool shows the search volume for different terms, helping you determine which niches are in demand and which are less saturated. The method varies depending on how you plan to attract readers, whether through SEO, Facebook ads, or other strategies. But keywords Everywhere is a useful indicator of market potential. To use it, simply activate the tool and enter a keyword into Google. For example, if we search for urban gardening, we can see that it has a low competition. This suggests a moderate-sized market with room to enter. However, to ensure long-term success, it's also important to analyze trends. Google Trends is an excellent tool for this. By searching for urban gardening and setting the timeline from 2004 to the present, we can see whether the niche is growing or declining. In this case, the trend appears to be downward, meaning it might not be the best choice. Trying another option, such as digital nomad lifestyle, reveals only 800 searches per month. But searching for digital nomad alone shows 990,000 searches, with an upward trend. This indicates strong growth potential. A growing niche like this presents many opportunities for content and monetization. You can create content on topics like visa requirements for digital nomads, remote job opportunities, and travel insurance. Additionally, there are numerous monetization possibilities, including affiliate deals for travel insurance and sponsorships. To refine your niche choice, researching other successful newsletters and blogs is valuable. Websites such as Nomad List and Web Work Travel provide insight into the kind of content that resonates with audiences. Many of these sites function as email lists themselves. By analyzing their most popular articles, you can identify trends and content ideas for your newsletter. For example, some blogs cover topics like how to navigate proof of onward travel and how to travel as a digital nomad. City guides and consultations are other content types that drive traffic and engagement. Observing these successful newsletters can help you understand what works in your niche and how to tailor your content strategy. Once you've selected your niche, the next step is creating content. There are three main ways to do this. The first option is writing the content yourself, which ensures quality but can be time-consuming. The second option is using AI tools like ChatGPT, but relying solely on AI can result in low-quality content. The third and most effective option is outsourcing to a skilled writer. Hiring a writer is a great way to scale your newsletter quickly. A platform I highly recommend for this is onlinejobs.ph, which connects you with talented workers from the Philippines. Filipino workers are known for being hardworking, skilled, and reliable, and hiring from this platform is also cost-effective. To get started, sign up and browse available content writers. For example, you might find a full-time writer for $700 per month or hire someone part-time for around $8 per day who could produce several articles daily. You can interview potential hires to find the best fit for your newsletter. Onlinejobs.ph is a fantastic resource. For content ideas, you can leverage keywords everywhere to analyze successful blogs and extract the most valuable keywords. By identifying the top-performing articles in your niche, you can ensure your newsletter covers relevant, high-demand topics. Alternatively, ChatGPT can help generate content ideas based on these insights. You can ask for 100 content blog ideas for a newsletter, and this will provide tons of inspiration for articles. These ideas can be used as a starting point for your newsletter content. You can also take these ideas and input them into Google to check their search volume using the tool I mentioned earlier. This helps determine which topics are trending and popular. Once you have a list, the next step is to either write the articles yourself or assign them to a content writer or virtual assistant. This gives you a structured approach to content creation. Now that we have content ideas and know how to find content writers, the next step is creating lead magnets to attract readers. There are multiple ways to do this, including platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, and YouTube. The best approach depends on your target audience. If they are younger, platforms like TikTok might be more effective, while an older audience may be more responsive to email campaigns. It's essential to understand where your audience is and tailor your lead magnets accordingly. A lead magnet should offer something valuable in exchange for an email sign-up. For example, if targeting the digital nomad niche, you could create an article about the best hidden travel destinations. Readers would be attracted to this content and directed to sign up for your newsletter. Facebook ads can be an effective way to promote these lead magnets. When done correctly, you can acquire leads for as little as $1 or $2, quickly recouping the investment. For Facebook ads, Canva is a useful tool for designing visuals. You can create an Instagram post, choose a travel-related template, and customize it with a headline such as Hidden Gem Locations. A strong call to action, such as Learn More, encourages engagement. Adding an eye-catching image and a brief description like Discover the top 10 hidden gems makes the ad more compelling. The ad should direct users to an article hosted on Beehiiv. Once in Beehiiv, you would create a post, input a relevant title, and develop the content. To maximize engagement, include a subscriber form at the bottom of the article. You can also use gated content, where readers must subscribe to access the full article. This method helps grow your email list effectively. The goal of a lead magnet is to provide valuable content that entices people to share their email addresses. Now, let's discuss monetization. Typically, you need around 10,000 subscribers before advertisers show interest in monetizing your newsletter. However, before reaching this milestone, you can still earn through affiliate marketing and product sales. Once you reach 10K subscribers, sponsorships become a viable revenue stream. Beehiiv offers an ad network where brands can approach you to place ads in your newsletter, making monetization seamless. Another option is offering a paid subscription model. You can introduce a premium section where subscribers pay a small monthly fee for exclusive content. Beehiiv supports this integration, making it easy to set up. Additionally, Beehiiv has a feature called Boost, which allows you to earn money by promoting other newsletters. For instance, if a travel-related newsletter offers $2 per subscriber, you can promote it and earn based on sign-ups. Sponsorships are another revenue avenue. Besides using Beehiiv's ad network, you can seek sponsorships independently or run Facebook ads targeting potential advertisers. Affiliate marketing is also a lucrative option. Platforms like Impact.com connect publishers with brands for partnerships. For instance, if you're in the digital nomad niche, you could promote travel insurance, earning commissions on sales. Writing an article on best travel insurance for 2024 inches and linking to an insurance provider could generate significant earnings. Similar strategies work for product reviews, such as hiking gear or backpacks. Another way to monetize is by launching an e-commerce store. Selling products like backpacks to your email list can be a profitable route. Personally, I have focused on selling tangible products to my audience, but combining multiple monetization methods is the best approach. Diversifying revenue streams ensures maximum earnings from each subscriber. If you stay consistent, post regularly, experiment with different lead magnets, and write high-quality content, reaching 10K subscribers within 6 months is very achievable. Growth compounds over time, making it easier to scale. If you're ready to turn your newsletter into a money-making machine, Beehiiv is the platform you need. It's packed with powerful tools to help you grow your audience, monetize your content, and create stunning newsletters with ease. Whether you're just starting out or already have a loyal following, Beehiiv makes it simple to scale your newsletter and maximize your earnings. Ready to take your newsletter to the next level? Click the link in the description to try Beehiiv for free and start building your email empire today.